Hello YouTube. So today is the first day skiing this season, 2023/24 season, and overnight we had quite a bit of snow. Well, first decent snow that we had overnight. I'm at Palisades Tahoe right now, and they said up on closer to the top of the mountain they had 14 inches of snow last night. So I took Unitel and Gold Coast Express. That's as high as you can go right now. Snow was good and they did not groom too much, I guess. So I was able to, I could have brought my 115 millimeter power snow ski, but I did not. So I have 107 K2 Mindbender, I think. So that's what I'm skiing with today. But yeah, snow's good and not too cold. Maybe, I don't know, it's temperature is around 30 degrees right now, and it's not gonna go up much during the day today, I don't think. And hopefully we get a little more snow overnight. And yeah, see what happens. And I have a shoulder surgery to remove my hardware from my left shoulder because I was in a motorcycle accident in July this past summer and broke my clavicle. And yeah, doctor bolted a plate onto my clavicle and it latched onto my left shoulder bone, I guess. So that cannot stay forever. It's not hurting too much right now, but yeah, on Tuesday, this coming Tuesday, I'm gonna have surgery and remove that hardware. And yeah, the doctor said it's gonna be much easier than the previous surgery in August when he bolted this plate. So we'll see how it goes, but he gave me 4 weeks to recover. So I'll be on short-term disability coverage again for 4 weeks. Hopefully after that, I'm going through some interviews. A couple projects going on right now, so we'll see what happens. So I'll keep you guys posted. And I think I have ski footage from Gold Coast Express. I'm gonna put that on the video as well. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks so much guys. Bye.